Is the law of attraction a magical power or the biggest scam of our time? With thousands of books like The Secret, The Power of Positive Thinking, and Think and Grow Rich, it's hard to tell. Many celebrities endorse it, and some people have even turned teaching it into a full-time career. So is the law of attraction real, or is it just a modern-day superstition with a cult following that has built a billion-dollar industry selling dreams? Let's dive into what the law of attraction is, what it isn't, and whether it's a logical and scientific method to achieve your goals or just empty talk. To give you a clear understanding, this video is divided into 3 parts: the myth, the science, and the reality, with the third part being the most important, where we share a 3-step secret that could be life-changing. When I first heard about the law of attraction, I didn't believe in it. However, after understanding the science behind it, doing deep research and applying it in my life, things started to make more sense. This video is for those who want to understand the law of attraction on a deeper level. Part 1. The myth. By definition, the law of attraction is a universal principle that states you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. This means if you visualize your dreams or goals consistently, they will eventually come true. However, this seems far-fetched for anyone with a practical, rational mindset. The roots of this idea are ancient, with similar concepts in Buddhism and Hinduism. The idea that your mind can influence your reality isn't new, but the term law of attraction was coined more recently, with significant promotion in the 19th and 20th centuries by figures like Ralph Waldo Emerson and Napoleon Hill. Part 2. The science. One famous example that ties into this is Roger Bannister breaking the 4-minute mile in 1954. Before Bannister, it was believed that running a mile in under 4 minutes was impossible. However, Bannister not only broke this barrier, but did so by training his mind as much as his body. This concept is now known as neuroplasticity, where deep belief and visualization can strengthen your brain's neural pathways, making the seemingly impossible possible. Part 3. The reality. To truly benefit from the law of attraction, it's crucial to pair it with action. The law of attraction, combined with the law of action, can create a powerful formula for success. It's not just about wishing for something, it's about believing in it, visualizing it, and then taking the necessary steps to achieve it. So, in reality, the law of attraction is less about magic and more about the science of neuroplasticity. It's about using your mind's power to influence your actions and ultimately your outcomes. Approach is not about blind faith, but about practical application.